Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Gorathe. Today is 17 March and today's video topic is a soft skill matter more than technical skill. So let's see. The soft skill are the backbone of leadership. So soft skill is important. Currently we are uh, currently we are a genius shortage of soft skill. Yet the national conversation is focused on our lack of technical skill. The technical skill do matter, and in some areas we have a shortage of talent. We have a shortage of talent. For example, the software development expertise is in a short supply as is expertise related to the manufacturing and the skilled production. However, our obsession with specialization and technical skill adoption has created a false divide that privilege one over the other so much so that soft skills are discounted uh, and disappearing. Then we see why soft skill matter more than technical skill. What makes someone successful in a particular role today might not tomorrow. If the compensative environment shift, the company's strategy changes, or he or she must collaborate with our manage a difficult group of colleges. So the question is not whether your company's employees and leaders have the right skill. Then it's whether they have the potential to learn new ones. uh, uh, then 21st century talent sporting in a Wall Street journey, a survey of our 900 executive, 92% reported soft skill including communication and critical think. Then are as technical skill. However, 89% of those same executive reported they have a very difficult or somehow difficult time finding hire with the soft skill part. So the problem stem from the fact that communication, curiosity, and critical think are harder to measure than technical skill. Then it's much easier to determine if someone can build a website than if they can navigate organization politics. It is first case there is product. In the second case, outcome in intelligible and depend on many factors. Then the past technical experience may not transfer over to a new setting with new people. Yet, if an individual cannot navigate organization politics, that website may never get built or launched in the first place. Executive strategy with these hires is not just due to these relative difficulties or of sporting and measuring soft skill. They may in fact be the shortage of the soft skill currently in the market. This is bad news for succession planning in leadership who retire or move on without clear replacement place their business at risk. So that's all about today's topic. Thank you.